Hello everyone, today I'm doing a milk facial. There are so many benefits of milk facial and I'll tell you about those benefits in the video. Starting off by cleansing my face first, I'm using raw milk, and raw milk is a really great cleanser. It takes off the dirt and grime off your face very efficiently, and I'm applying it with the help of this cotton ball, and I'm going to I'm wiping it off with the help of the same, and you will see how much dirt was there in my face. Then I'm going to scrub, and for the scrub I'm taking oats here, and I will take about 3 tablespoons of oats, and I'll add about 5 tablespoons of milk to it, and then I am going to mix it well. And then I'm going to apply it all over my face with the help of my hands, and I'm applying it all over my face. As you can see, face and neck, don't forget your neck. And then I'm massaging it in with the help of my fingers. Oat flakes really helps in getting rid of the dead skin cells, and don't forget your neck. So oat is acting as a moisturizing agent here. It moisturizes your face at the time of exfoliation, and milk here acts as a lightening agent. The lactic acid in milk acts as a moisturizer, and it helps in retaining the pH balance of your skin. And when the scrub dries off, I kind of rub it and take it off as a upturn, if you know. And I've taken off the scrub completely. Then I'll wash my face with warm water, and for the massage I'm taking 2 tablespoons of milk, and 2 tablespoons of milk, and then I am adding a generous amount of aloe vera gel. If you can find aloe vera leaf, that will be more beneficial, but I could not find, so I'm adding Patanjali here, and I'm mixing it with the help of my fingers. The consistency will be runny, and I am applying it all over my face. Then I'll start massaging my face. As you can see, I'm massaging it in a circular motion. Neck, don't forget your neck. In circular motion and in upward direction, I am massaging my whole face, and it really helps in tightening the skin. The aloe vera gel helps in tightening the skin, and helps in reducing the pores. Milk also helps in reducing the pores, and massaging my lips as well, because why not. So I am just doing circular motions, and don't forget your eye socket as well while massaging. So this massage will help you in getting glowy and supple skin, and milk acts as a lightening agent. It enhances the complexion, and it enhances the texture of the skin as well. So I'm patting my face here in light motion, like I'm not slapping myself, I'm just patting my face. It helps in circulating your blood, like it will help in good blood circulation. You have to do this massage for about 5 minutes, and when the aloe vera gel and milk dries up, I kind of rub it and remove it like upturn. So as you can see, my face already feels soft and glowy. And for the last part, for the face pack part, I'm taking a couple of tablespoons of milk, and to it I'm going to be adding honey. Honey is a natural moisturizer, and a tad bit like a pinch of baking powder. Baking powder helps in reducing pores, like tightening pores, and helps in curing acne. So I'm applying the pack all over my face and neck, and I'll let it rest there for about 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, I gave bath to Bunny, and I took bath, and as you can see, my face really is looking glowy and refreshed. I really hope you like this facial technique. Do let me know what you feel about it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.